Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter on Volkswagen Amarok. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box. You don't need to remove the glove box, you just need to go underneath the glove box and we'll see where it is located exactly. On other cars there is a plastic cover that you need to remove in order to get access to the cabin filter, but in my case there is no plastic cover, so when I go underneath the glove box I can see it directly. We need to remove those two bolts for the cabin filter cap. And now we can see the cabin filter. Now we'll take out the cabin filter and put on the new cabin filter. Make sure you put it in the exact same way by looking at which way the airflow has to go, and then assemble everything in the reverse order. Next we're going to put the cover back on and tighten the bolts, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.